everyone, it's Mr. Neeson, not in the home studio this time, but rather in the Mac Performing Arts Center. That's right, we're back in person. I have a lot of really exciting and engaging music making planned for us for this year, and one of the tools that's going to help us do that is Soundtrap. And so in this video, we're going to go through how to log in, how to create some tracks, and how to drag and drop media within those tracks to create a piece of music. So let's get into it.
All right, so here we are in Soundtrap. You're going to go to soundtrap.com/edu. And so if you were in one of my classes last year and used Soundtrap as part of a remote learning, all you're going to do is log in, use your Google account, and then you'll be good to go there. If you have not used Soundtrap before, if you're new to the program, you're going to click Join as a Student, and then you're going to enter the invite code that is in the classroom assignment for this. So it's going to be different from class to class, so I'm not going to type in a code right now. But whatever class you're in, just use the code that's in the Google Classroom post for this assignment. All right, so once you have logged in with your BVSU account and you've entered the invite code for whatever class you're logging in for, we're going to make some music. So you're going to click on Enter Studio. We're going to click Music. And then here we are in our session window. If you've ever used GarageBand or Logic, it's going to look very similar. And just like with GarageBand or Logic, we have some built-in loops. That's a little spicy for me this morning. Let's find some piano. So I'm just going to build a basic track using the built-in loops, and I'm going to drag and drop them to line up with each other. So I want some piano. What does this vinyl piano sound like? Ooh, I really like that one. So I'm going to bring that into my track. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to drop it right there at the beginning. It starts to play. You can play or pause by hitting the space bar or by clicking on the buttons down here. Let's find some drums now to go with this piano sample. So it's got kind of a lo-fi sort of sound, which I really like. So I'm going to try and find some drums that fit with that. So let's look up a hip hop beat. Let's hear what this sounds like. I like that. Let's use that. So, to add layers to a track, if you're bringing things in from the loop library, you can just click and drag, place it underneath, not on top, but place it underneath, and then you'll hear them together. Let's hear what that sounds like. Let's find one more part for this. I think a bass would be good. So let's go bass. I like Brampton. That's the same piano sound I found. So let's find a Brampton bass. Nope, not what I wanted. Let's find a bass. Bass. Ooh, I like that better than the drums we had before. So, say I just found something that I like better than what's in the track. I can mute this, drag in my new loop, and I can let's compare those two to one another. So this is just my piano. So I'm not sure which one I like better, but I can use them both, because what I can do is I can loop out this piano part. Let's loop it 3 times. We're going to hear it first by itself. You can, by the way, you can zoom in and out using either these magnifying glasses down here, or you can see I'm using a trackpad, so I can zoom in and out that way. So I'm going to take my Beanie beat and then my Brampton 808 beat, and they're going to play one after the other. So we're going to build some sections. We're going to use some contrasting material to create some musically interesting sections. So let's hear what we got now. So let's review what we just went over. We logged in using our BVSU email account and the invite code in the Google Classroom instructions. We dragged and dropped loops onto separate tracks, and we moved those around by clicking and dragging and looping to create some interesting and contrasting musical sections. So that's how we would use Soundtrap in a composition or beat making format. That's how we use the built-in sound library to build some tracks. In the next video, we're going to go through how to record your own audio into Soundtrap so you can use your own instrument, MIDI keyboard, whatever, your voice, whatever sound source you have handy. So stick around for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.